Levier Fine Writing Instruments and Levier Casting Products presents the turning and assembly process of a Navigator pen using one of Levier casting products. The pen blank that we selected for this project is a aluminum-based acrylic casting. Here at Levier, safety is priority number 1. As we can see in this view, there is a high content of aluminum shavings in this pen blank. We have a similar project with a similar acrylic, but the main content was bronze instead of aluminum. The combination of the drill press and a drill vise help us to properly make the center hole in the pen blanks, even though that this pen blank is not 100% symmetrical. We are going to do the setup in our lathe, the bushings and the tool rest to be in the proper distance. As we all know, sharpened tools are a must for any turning project. There is a complete library on how to sharpen your turning tools here in YouTube. Please check our videos, username Levier 2011 or Levier Fine Writing Instruments. There are many tools and techniques available for the sharpening of your turning tools. In our particular case, we like to use a low-speed water-cooled grinder. This in combination with several jigs and fixtures. Using a low-speed grinder in combination with a water bath provides a lot of advantages. We don't have any sparks or dust flying in our workshop, and the use of the jigs help us to replicate the angle of the tools every time that we are doing the sharpening. During this project, we are going to re-sharpen the tools because the casting that we are using has a lot of aluminum, even though aluminum is softer to turn than bronze. Having a proper sharpen tool will minimize the possibility of a tool catch or a damage to your pen blank during the turning process. The best way to see if you're doing a proper grinding is by coloring the bevel of your turning tool. In this video and for this project, we are going to use only 2 turning tools. The roughing gouge. For the preliminary cuts, we are going to use this tool to transform the rectangular pen blank into a cylinder. We are also going to provide the preliminary shape of our turning project. It is very important to see the reaction of the pen blank to the cutting edge of our turning tool. This is a synonym of high quality pen blanks in combination with a proper or extreme sharpened turning tool. The roughing gouge is a very aggressive tool, and it's always important to start at the edge of your turning blank to minimize the possibility of an accident or for your pen blank to be damaged during these preliminary cuts. For this video, we are exceeding the amount of time that we are showing the use of the roughing gouge. For us, it is very important to see the performance of the tool and also the performance of the pen blank during these aggressive cuts. Let's review the cuttings that we are doing. Shavings are the only things coming out. We cannot see any chunks of material or chunks of aluminum coming out during these cuts. And as we can see here, the shape it is preliminary made or achieved, but it still requires a lot of work. The second tool that we are going to use is the Spindle Master. The Spindle Master is a great alternative to the use of the skew. It is very easy to control and it will provide a good result after the cuts. We use these tools to achieve the definition of our pen project in regards size and ergonomics of our pen. And in this view, we are showing the important areas that we need to leave material for the sanding process. Wet sanding is going to be used for any acrylic project. We're going to use 120 to 2000 grit sandpaper using water as a lubricant. The finish that we are going to use is going to be a combination of a plastic polish and silver polish compound. We like to double the application of the plastic polish. This will help us eliminate any micro marks left from the sanding or turning, and also will maximize the shine in our project. Because we have 70% of aluminum in this pen blank, we are going to use silver polish to maximize the shine and beauty of our pen project. Here we can see how we are maximizing the shine or finish in our pen blank during the application of silver polish. For the assembly process, the only thing that we need to do is to follow the instructions provided with your pen kit. The end result, another masterpiece made by Levier. World-class quality and high performance is a definition of Levier casting products. Our unique and one-of-a-kind pen blanks are a synonym of quality. We apply world-class quality and state-of-the-art equipment for the manufacturing process of our acrylic pen blanks. The colors will not fade away during drilling, machining, sanding, and polishing of your pen project. We can also customize the needs that you may have by creating your unique pen blank. If you would like more information about this turning project or any of our writing instruments and casting products, please send us an email and we will reply with our current catalog and information. We understand that there's a lot of options for you to see videos in YouTube. We would like to say thank you for the time that you took to see this video. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.